Welcome to Tour India, your quick guide to India's best places, history, and travel tips. Let's explore. Today we are exploring one of Delhi's most iconic monument, Qutub Minar. In this video, we will cover its history, architecture, iron pillar, night lightning show, ticket prices, timings, travel guide, and everything you need to know before visiting. Let's begin. Qutub Minar is located in Mehrauli, South Delhi, standing 72.5 meters tall. It is the tallest brick minar in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The architectural masterpiece is nearly 800 years old and is the one of the most visited monuments in India. Construction began in 1192 under Qutubuddin Aibak, founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Aibak built the first floor and his successor Iltutmish added three more. The fifth floor was later rebuilt by Firoz Shah Tughlaq after lightning damage. There are two theories. One, a victory tower symbolizing the beginning of Muslim rule in India. Two, a minar used to call people off for prayer at the nearby Kuwaitul Islam Mosque. The tower survived major earthquakes in 1505 and 1803. Many rulers repaired it across centuries. The nearby iron pillar predates Qutub Minar by more than 1000 years. Qutub Minar has 5 stories, each marked by projecting balcony. The tower tapers from 14.3 meters at the base to 2.7 meters at the top. Materials: lower floors red sandstone, upper floors sandstone plus marble. Design elements: you will find Arabic calligraphy, geometric patterns, and historical inspirations carved all around. Earlier, visitors could climb the 379-step spiral staircase, but the entry inside is now closed for safety reasons. Inside the complex, don't miss these major attractions. Number 1. Kuwaitul Islam Mosque, one of the oldest mosques in India, built using remains of old Hindu and Jain temples. Number 2. Alai Darwaza, a beautiful Indo-Islamic gateway built by Alauddin Khilji. Number 3. Alauddin Khilji's Madrasa and Tomb, a peaceful ancient study center and the resting place of the powerful Sultan. Number 4. Alai Minar. Alauddin Khilji planned a minar twice the height of Qutub Minar, but only the base was built. One of the biggest highlights inside the Qutub complex is the Iron Pillar of Delhi, standing for more than 1600 years. This pillar was built during the reign of King Chandragupta II around the 4th century, long before the Qutub Minar existed. It does not rust even after 1600 years in open air. Made with almost 100% pure wrought iron, shows the advanced metallurgical skills of ancient India. Scientists still research how it remains rust-free. Height 7.2 meters, weight over 6000 kg. Sanskrit inspirations praising Chandragupta II. Earlier had a Garuda symbol on top. Touching the pillar is now restricted to protect it from damage. Qutub Minar looks absolutely stunning at night due to its evening LED illumination. Right after sunset, the tower lights up in the golden, red, and green tones, highlighting every detail of its carvings. The lighting continues till around 11 pm. Although the complex closes at 5 pm, you can watch the illuminated minar from Qutub Minar parking area, Mehrauli Archaeological Park, nearby viewpoints and streets. The night view is perfect for photography, reels, and cinematic shots. Timings: 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. always open. Tickets for Indians rupees 35, for foreigners rupees 550 rupees. Online tickets also available. By metro: nearest station Qutub Minar metro station. From there 5 to 7 minutes by auto and e-rickshaw. By bus: DTC buses from Saket, Malvi Nagar and Mehrauli. By car and cab: search Qutub Minar on Google Maps. Parking available outside the complex. Inside the Qutub Minar complex, outside food is not allowed. Only water bottles are allowed. There is no canteen or food stall inside the complex, but outside the entrance you will find chai stalls, cold drinks, ice cream, snacks, street food carts, cafes and restaurants nearby. Best to eat outside and carry only water inside. Some fun facts: Qutub Minar is taller than many 20-floor buildings. Iron pillar has not rusted for 1600 years. Alai Minar was planned to be twice as tall as Qutub Minar. The tower has a slight natural tilt. Travel tips: best time to visit: morning. Wear comfortable shoes. Carry water. Drone not allowed. Keep 1 to 2 hours to explore the full complex. For night shots, visit outside areas after sunset. So this was the complete travel guide of Qutub Minar, including its history, architecture, iron pillar, night lightning show, and visitor rules. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tour India. Thanks for watching. See you at the next destination.